So I'm coming back to you with another video on the cleaning channel. It's been a long time. Me and Nova. So right now I'm in the boys' room, and since the last time y'all probably seen the boys' room, it's a mess. They have written on every wall in this room, y'all, and I do mean every wall in here. Every time I come back in here, there's another wall written on. So I don't even want to talk about that. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it in the comments. I don't want to talk about it nowhere. I don't want to talk about it. So I hope that everyone is having a great day. I hope everyone is going to have a great week. Hope you had a great weekend, whatever. I'm going to go ahead and clean up in here the best that I can. And then I'm going to move on to the bathroom and also Ava's room. So I went to go get some microfiber cloths. Notice that I didn't have any clean. I have to wash them, but right now I got my linen in there, so I'm gonna wash that afterwards. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the boys' room, and then I'm gonna come back a little bit later on in the day, or maybe tomorrow. I'm not in a rush, and go ahead and do the bathroom and then Ava's new room. So I hope that y'all enjoy. I got a new carpet cleaner that I'm gonna be using today because my other one is missing a part. So I'm gonna take y'all along, and I hope that y'all enjoy.
I see you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there, cause I know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow? I think it's time we stop tipping on our toes. What's holding you back now, sugar? Cause I don't know, sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away, no, yeah. Grow, 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 grow. It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Oh, make you move before someone takes your place. I know how you feel, but you're scared to say to my face. I sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it? Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Grow, 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 grow. It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Yeah. Make you move before someone takes your place. I see you watching me when we're with our friends. There's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there. So let's take it from there. Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? And I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? I know you want it. Afraid to let it show. You need it, baby. Why don't we let it? Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? Just like something out of a movie, you see right through me, just like you already knew me. We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. Baby, come and be with me tonight. I don't wanna come across impolite, but I'm ready. Hey, baby, come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty. Baby, come and be with me tonight. I don't wanna come across impolite, but I'm ready. Oh, baby, come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty. One-on-one, 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 I've been thinking about you day and night, ever since I saw you with your deep blue eyes. There was something that I just couldn't deny. Something starts to burst in my chest deep inside. Why do love like this hurt? Oh my God. It feels like I'm gonna die. It feels like I'm about to die. If I can't have you, and I wanna be alone with you. Alone, 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 alone with you, my love. So I can show you what I'm gonna do. Alone, 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 alone with you, my love. Alone, alone. What love like this hurt? Alone. I'll be your lover till the day I die. Promise me you'll stay, yeah, you will do me right. There's no other way, 'cause you're the only one that can stop my heart from burning up.
All right, y'all. So I'm done cleaning the boys' room. I am tired. This room then wore me out. Now the carpet cleaner that I got now is not better than my old one. I'm gonna say that. I am gonna still be looking for the part to the bottom of it, because if I got like a lot of carpet to clean, like right now I do gotta clean. I need to clean up. I need to clean every piece of carpet I have in this house. And that little carpet cleaner, I had to empty it. I had to empty it 3 times in this little room. So I can't even imagine me trying to carpet clean my own room. So I'm done drinking me some water. This room smells so fresh. It smells just like game. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry. And I done vacuumed it already, so I probably vacuum it one more time once it's dry. But I'm gonna let it dry while the kids are at school. Nobody don't have to come in here, but it looks so much better in here. I moved the bin over there to the side of the dresser because I'm getting tired of the boys throwing clothes all over the closet. So I did the same thing in Ava's room. I'm not gonna do the bathroom in Ava's room today, probably tomorrow. Give myself a break. and I'm going to go ahead and take the chicken out because I didn't do that. Check on my linen, and I'll pick the camera back up tomorrow once I start cleaning the bathroom and Ava's room.
Why do I love like this? Oh my God, it feels like I'm gonna cry. It feels like I'm about to die. If I can't have you, and I wanna be alone with you, alone with you, my love, so I can show you what I'm gonna do. Alone with you, my love. Oh, alone, yeah, alone. Why do I love like this? And all the